Okay, we're in the control panel again. And usually after you get your site set up with HostGator or wherever, hopefully you have a control panel that is similar to this. Again, it might look different, but it's going to have the same functions here. The one we're interested in right now is the mail portion. We're going to set up our email accounts. So usually, all I do is set up forwarding addresses. But you can set up mailboxes and stuff like that. You would do that by going into where is it? Right here. Add, remove, manage accounts. So you can set up email boxes by using this interface. You create the username and a password, and then they can log into webmail and that sort of thing. However, I think the best way to use mail on your web server, on your hosting account, is just have it forward to whatever email address you're already using. So if you're using Gmail, for example, you would just go in here, you would create a forwarder, go into forwarders, and then you want to add a forwarder. Now, on my account, it talks about a catch-all address, where basically you can have all email that's sent to your domain name forward to a certain account. So whether that's, it could be Chad at, WordPressHostGuide.com could be forwarded, or it could be Chad2, it could be Chad Test. You could just make it up, but usually that lends to a lot of spamming. And in fact, my account has the catch-all functions disabled. So I'm going to go back and just add a forwarder. In this case, I'm going to set up Chad at WordPressHostingGuide.com. There's only one domain on this account. However, if you add more websites to your hosting account, which I'll show you how to do that as well, you'll be able to set up your name at whatever. So you could have your first name, you could have, webmaster, you could have info, sales, whatever. And then you can have those forward to another existing address, which in my case, I have everything go to Chad at ChadWyatt.com. So it all lands in the same spot. So I'm adding the forwarder. And there it is. It says all emails sent to Chad at WordPressHostingGuide.com will now be redirected to Chad at ChadWyatt.com. So, again, if you have a Gmail account, it could be you at gmail.com. It could be you at earthlink.com. It could be you at whatever your provider is.com. And now, if you have business cards, or when you tell your friends what your email address is, in this case, I would say, well, email me at Chad at WordPressHostingGuide.com, and when they do that, it goes to my primary account. The cool thing about this, doing it this way, is everything's managed in one email box, if that works for you. It does for me. I've got tons of domain names. The other thing is if you're using something like Earthlink or whatever your DSL provider is or something like that, if you ever change or move or change providers, then you got to tell everyone, oh, I've got a new address, or maybe your Hotmail account gets all junked up or whatever. I actually recommend Gmail, but you don't have to tell them this. Instead of changing your address and telling everyone your new address, what you do is you just change your forwarding address. So let's say my Chad at ChadWyatt.com address changed. Well, I would just delete this and add a forwarder with the same one, Chad, and I would just have it route to whatever my new address is, and it's all the same to everyone else. So anyway, that's it for adding forwarders, and we'll go over some of the other features here in the control panel in another video.